So normally if you want to do the steam function, so you prepare 1 bowl of water, then you pour down here. Then after that, you put this tray on top. Then straight away you put your fish inside the tray. Then you push the tray inside. Then after that, you press the start button twice and then you select the fish button. When the program timing is done, the machine will be automatic off and it will ring for 5 times. After that, the air fryer tray can be directly taken out and it's more safe and suitable for everyone to use.